Here's how to allow TikTok access to your photos. Now, the first thing we're going to do is hop out of the TikTok app, completely close out of the app, and let's instead head into the settings. There are a number of different reasons why you can't have access to those photos. One is just turning it on, but there could be screen time as the issue as well. So let's first check screen time by scrolling down, tapping on screen time, and then scrolling down to content and privacy restrictions. Now in photos here, if it's set to don't allow changes, that won't allow you to give access to the TikTok app. So on here, I would recommend switching it to allow changes. And if you don't necessarily need it, let's just completely turn off content and privacy restrictions. After we've done that, let's check two different places that we can allow access to those photos. So let's go back one and back two, and then we'll scroll up to the very beginning. After the beginning of your settings, you'll be able to see as you scroll down, privacy and security. Let's just tap on that. And now let's go down until we get to photos here. And within photos, all we need to do is find that TikTok app. Now on here, you have option for limited access, which you can select, and it will allow you to select just some photos to give access to, or you can give it full access to all of the photos on your phone. After you've done that, it should work. However, if it doesn't work, we can go back to the very beginning because there's another place that we can give access to it if you don't see it on that list or it doesn't work. Now from here, let's scroll down to the very bottom. We're going to tap on apps here, and then all we're going to do is scroll down until we get to that TikTok option. Let's scroll down to the T and tap on TikTok. Now here you can see is photos as well. You can just tap on that and make sure it is given to full access or limited access if that's what you choose. If you go through all of these steps and it's still not working, we can always choose to offload the app and reinstall it, and this definitely fixes it. So let's do that by going back to the very beginning of your settings. So just tap back to get to the very beginning, and then just tap on general and then iPhone storage. From here, all you're going to do is find that TikTok app and then just offload it and then reinstall it. And by going through this process, it force updates it to the latest version, but also clears all the cache and temporary files that could be preventing you from giving access to those photos.